Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Advanced in Car. So this is another Mini that we've now done recently. I think they're becoming quite popular, these, with people coming in. Again, coming for a reversing camera. Difference with this one being is, I think because it's a higher spec, because it's like a John Cooper Works job, it's got the larger 8-inch screen on it, which means you then are able to utilise a bit more of the functionality of the module that the camera utilises to, overlay the image and things like that. So let's go and have another quick look at the camera. It's the same as the one we fitted on the last car, but it's a real nice small little camera, new one that we're using. So have a quick look at that, and then we'll jump in and I'll show you the benefits of having the larger screen in your Mini. So, again, as always, fitted in the grab bar of the Mini. Nice little small footprint camera. It's fitted in the factory position. Basically the factory position. We just clear out some of the gubbins that's going on in the back, because there's like a little plastic mount and stuff. So we get rid of all that, make it nice and clear, and then fit the camera in there, seal it all up. It's waterproof anyway, and it still gives you a real nice clear image on your screen. So we'll jump in, have a little look, and I'll show you all the functionality. So as you see in the car, we've got the much larger screen on this one. This is like the 8 or 8.8, whatever it is. I think it's like 8 inches, but it's just a much bigger full-size screen. So if we just start the car up, so we can then pop it into reverse, you'll see that currently we've got it set on a full-size screen. So you've got these little blocks here. These are your guidelines that would sweep in, and obviously you've still got your moving guidelines. Now, the nice thing about having the bigger screen is that using the iDrive central knob, if we flick it, you have to flick it up twice but hold it on the second one, you can then change the view. Now this view is pretty pointless because you can't quite see the overlay, but we do it again, and we've now got the original overlay of your parking sensors with your Mini, and then you can also see how your guidelines are then going to be working. So if we just back up to the toolbox and the speaker a bit, you'll see it all kind of sweeps and moves at the same way your guidelines do normally. So it's just an added extra feature. So some people would want that feature to be able to see their guidelines that they had originally, like these, and other people wouldn't be too fussed. But the nice thing about having the bigger screen is that you can have both of them. Trouble is with the smaller screen, once you have this overlay on as well, it all then starts getting quite bunched up and a bit harder to see. Personally, I quite like just having a big full screen, so you can just see nice and clearly behind you, but everyone's different, and we like to show that full functionality that you get. So that's about it really, just another Mini that we've done with reversing camera and the kind of factory looking guidelines. If you've got a car like this and you want to get in touch about having something like this done, then fill out the contact form or give us a call, and we'll see what we can do. In the meantime, keep watching all the socials and things like that, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.